Welcome to the Institute of Pharmaceutical Research at GLA University, where innovation meets excellence. We are excited to introduce our newest addition to our academic offerings, the Doctor of Pharmacy or Pharm D program. Since our inception in 2006, our commitment has always been to push the boundaries of pharmaceutical education and practice. With the launch of our Pharm D program, we are taking this commitment to new heights. The Pharm D program at GLA University is designed to equip future pharmacists with advanced clinical knowledge, hands-on experience, and a deep understanding of patient care. Our comprehensive curriculum integrates cutting-edge pharmaceutical science with real-world applications, preparing our students to excel in diverse healthcare settings. Our expert faculty, state-of-the-art facilities, and innovative teaching methods ensure that our graduates are not only proficient in pharmaceutical practices, but are also leaders in the field. The most important part of this course is internship at hospital. So for that, GLA University signed a MOU with KD Medical Hospital and Research Center, Mathura. Pharm D students will complete hospital training so that they can serve the society as healthcare professionals. Whether your passion lies in clinical pharmacy, patient counseling, or research, the Pharm D program provides the foundation and opportunities to achieve your career goals. Join us on this exciting journey as we shape the future of pharmacy one student at a time. Discover how the Pharm D program at GLA University can be your gateway to a rewarding and impactful career in pharmacy.